Internal audit is not optional for many companies. Ignore this rule and you may face serious compliance issues. Let us understand Section 138 of the Companies Act 2013 along with Rule 13 in a simple and practical way. Appointment Rule. Certain classes of companies must appoint an internal auditor. The auditor can be a chartered accountant, cost accountant, or any other professional decided by the board. Manner and interval. The government prescribes how internal audit is conducted. It also decides the frequency and reporting system. Listed companies. All listed companies must appoint an internal auditor. This is mandatory without any threshold. Unlisted public companies. Internal audit is required if any one condition is met. Paid up capital 50 crore or more, turnover 200 crore or more, loans or borrowings 100 crore or more, deposits 25 crore or more. Private companies. Private companies must appoint an internal auditor if turnover is 200 crore or more, or loans or borrowings are 100 crore or more. Compliance timeline. Existing companies must comply within 6 months. Delay beyond this leads to non-compliance. Who can be internal auditor? The internal auditor can be an individual firm or company. He may or may not be an employee. Role of board or audit committee. The board or audit committee decides scope of audit, frequency, method and process. This is done in consultation with the auditor. Purpose of internal audit. Internal audit ensures strong internal control. It improves risk management. It increases operational efficiency. Difference from statutory audit. Internal audit is continuous and focuses on controls. Statutory audit is annual and focuses on financial statements. Risk and governance. Internal audit helps detect fraud early. It strengthens systems and governance. Practical examples. Listed company appoints auditor valid compliance. Private company with high turnover but no auditor. Violation. Company appoints professional auditor valid. Company without audit framework, improper compliance. Final takeaway. Section 138 ensures internal control and risk management. It makes internal audit mandatory for specified companies. It also allows flexibility in appointment. Internal audit is a key pillar of corporate governance and every eligible company must follow it properly. Follow for more simplified channel. Disclaimer. Viewing this video or accessing the content on this channel are free and does not create any professional, advisory, or client relationship between the speaker and the viewer. The content is shared solely for general educational and informational purposes. The speaker is a member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI. However, the information provided in this video should not be construed as professional advice, consultancy, or opinion under any law or regulation. Viewers should not rely solely on the information provided in this video for making legal, financial, regulatory, or compliance decisions. Any person intending to rely upon or act on the information contained herein should independently verify the relevant provisions of law and, where appropriate, seek professional advice from a qualified professional. The speaker, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI, or any organization or listed company with which the speaker may be associated shall not be liable for any direct or indirect loss, damage, or consequences arising from reliance on the information provided in this video or channel. The content shared on this channel is based solely on publicly available information, general legal provisions, and academic discussion of corporate and regulatory frameworks. The speaker confirms that no unpublished price-sensitive information, UPSI, confidential information, or proprietary information of any listed company or organization has been disclosed or discussed in any video or content on this channel. The views expressed in the videos are personal academic interpretations for educational purposes only and are not connected with or derived from any confidential information obtained through employment, professional engagement, or association with any listed company or organization. Nothing contained in this channel should be interpreted as market advice, investment advice, or insider information under the applicable provisions of securities laws, including the SEBI Prohibition of Insider Trading Regulations 2015. Viewers are advised that the information shared is purely for general educational awareness and should not be relied upon for investment decisions, trading decisions, or regulatory compliance without consulting appropriate professionals and official sources.